In this video, I will prove to you that self-concept is bullshit. And you will not believe it. I will explain it so logically you have no doubt. And you'll be like, why have I done this? I listened to all these people who made self-concept, like put self-concept on a pedestal. They made it the only thing and the most important thing which will manifest me. No, it fucking won't. I have never worked on self-concept. Why should I? Every time I hear those words, I vomit inside. It makes me sick. I have no attachment to it. It means nothing. It's such a hollow term. And I know how to replace it and I know how to stop this. And we will be talking about that at length. You need to watch the whole video. But before we do, just a little note for those of you who want to start business or have business and you hit a ceiling and you cannot move up. I spent 7 months putting together something absolutely fantastic, which in 60 days I will take you from I'm broke or stuck, I have a ceiling identity to millionaire's identity. And I mean it. This is no bullshit. You know me. You know what I do. I will bring you to person in 6 months, 60 days. I will bring you from that person to a version which is a millionaire. It's fantastic. People love it. You will adore it. You want to sign up for a waiting list? There's a waiting list down below. Ask, no, forget, sign up for it. Let's get back to self-concept. I've never done that. I have no interest in doing it. It bores the fuck out of me. It doesn't make any sense because do you know what you're doing when you're working on self-concept, which is something the gurus keep selling, don't they? Because they put you in a loop. You can never succeed with self-concept because they put you in a loop of there is something wrong with me, and before I fix it, I cannot get my manifestation, which you will manifest. There is something there's wrong with me, and I cannot get my manifestations. It's evil. They make shitloads of money on it. Well done. Good marketing concept, but it's evil. I don't want you to do this. You were born perfect. There was nothing wrong with you. You were born a master manifestor. Remember in my other video, you were born a little baby which screamed, farted, and pooped, and you got everyone's attention. Everyone 10 miles radius knew that you exist and came running to get you anything you wanted. Yeah? You're a master manifestor. You know how to do this shit. But you got stuck in the loop of I need to love myself and I need to do this and I need to do that and I need to No, you don't. You know what you need to do? You're focusing on negativity. Don't you understand? By everything I ever told you that you're focusing on negativity, I need to undo bad stuff. You're manifesting bad stuff. What am I doing? Focus on being super self-confident. That's positive. You're going to manifest positive things. Stop focusing on negative self-concept. Start positive. Extreme self-confidence always wins. And that means I can fucking do this. I'm doing this. Watch me. And universe, try not to deliver. And you'll see what happens. That's it. I always get what I want. Everything always works out for me. Anything is available to me at any point of time. I can have everything all at the same time. I'm fucking having it and try to stop me. Unbelievable self confidence. But I'm not selling you something on the loop. You can keep improving it forever because there's no ceiling to being self-confident, but you will always succeed because the more self-confident, the more you'll manifest, the more manifestations you get, and the bigger ones and better ones. While self-concept, there is something wrong with me and it's prohibiting me to manifest. Which one do you choose? Isn't that fucking clear now? Well, I would have hoped so. And I know I don't want anyone to say this, but we need to improve. Yes, you do wrong things which need tweaking, but that doesn't mean that you're not perfect. You see, there is a paradox in manifesting. The paradox is I'm absolutely perfect. I was born perfect. I am perfect. Yes, I could lose a little bit of weight, and yes, I could, do a little bit more of this and a little bit of, yeah, I could, but I'm perfect. I'm perfect, and that's the end of story. Yes, and I can keep improving here and there, but generally, I'm perfect. It's a paradox, and you need to get used to it. You need to start believing that you're perfect, although there's a little bit you can tweak here and tweak there, but generally speaking, you're perfect. And you need to hold that vibration. Because when you start doing self-concept on a loop, what are you saying? There's something wrong with me. I'm not good enough. I don't love myself enough. I don't do this enough. And the universe says, yes, of course. And I don't manifest because of that. Yes, of course. Because the universe always agrees to everything you say, and it'll keep manifesting for you and sending you more situations when you're not good enough, you're not worth it, you're not doing enough of manifesting stuff and doing it great, so you're not getting any manifestations. That's, to me, that is unethical. To me, that's evil, what these people are doing to you. So please, you're perfect, you need tweaking. And there is no problem. I don't have a problem saying, well, in these situations, I fucked this up, but I don't hold it against me. I'm still perfect. I just need to tweak something. Me saying I fucked something up doesn't hurt me. Why should it? It has no meaning. It's an information. It's neutral. Don't go, but I'm a horrible person and I'm not worth it. And why did I do that? And then, do I look like a victim to you? To have victim fucking written all over my forehead? No, I just don't care. I fucked something up. I have no ego. I can change it. I'll change it now. But I'm not gonna get into the loop of I'm fucking shit up and I'm not getting any manifestations. Blah, nya, 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 nya. Aren't you fucking bored? I am just listening to it. And you must be bored of living it. So can we stop that, please? No self-concept necessary. Just work on extreme self-confidence. Yes, I got it. Yes, this is mine. I'm not discussing it. Fucking do it. Universe, do it. And do it now. Period. End of sentence. Nothing more to be said. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, guys, go to the waiting list. It's gonna be absolutely awesome. See you then.